You know, in this journey we call life, there's this misconception that respect is earned through flashy titles and monumental achievements. I used to believe that too. But as the years rolled on, I uncovered a truth far more profound. Real respect isn't about the medals on your chest or the grandiose titles you collect. It's something deeper, more personal. Picture this. You can have no fancy titles, no jaw-dropping feats under your belt, and still, you become someone who commands genuine respect from those around you. How's that possible, you ask? Let me share the wisdom I've gathered on earning genuine respect. Be your authentic self. Life's purest respect stems from unabashedly being yourself. It's about embracing your quirks, passions, and beliefs. No masks to fit in or please others, just the raw, unfiltered you. It takes courage to parade your true colors, considering how some folks fear judgment. But here's the gem. Authenticity is living at its best. Being true to yourself signals bravery, wisdom, and self-assurance. Most can sense that, except those too afraid to unveil their true selves. Trying to win respect from them is like chasing love from someone who hasn't discovered self-love yet. Futile. Cultivate yourself first. The golden rule for respect: start with yourself. If you don't treat yourself with respect, expecting it from others is an uphill battle. When you value and honor yourself, others tend to follow suit. Sure, you might encounter folks with misplaced disrespect, rooted in their prejudices or fears. Let that not dent your self-worth. Don't let someone else's negativity tarnish your self-image. Forgive yourself, let go of past regrets, and embark on a journey of self-respect. Today marks a fresh start. Treat yourself with respect now and watch others catch the vibe. Authenticity over popularity. Choosing authenticity over popularity is a tough nut to crack. We all crave acceptance, yet the only person who absolutely must like you is you. When faced with challenging choices, ones that may ruffle feathers, opt for what's right. It's the path to self-respect. And oddly enough, those upset by your decisions may end up respecting you for sticking to your guns. Equal respect for all. In life's grand theater, treat everyone with the same level of respect, irrespective of their societal status. People are people regardless of their roles. As Einstein once wisely put it, I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university. If your respect hinges on job titles or bank balances, it's a sign of inner insecurities and a call for personal growth. Decisiveness breeds respect. Confidence is the currency of respect. Indecisiveness reeks of weakness. People respect those who make decisions with conviction. Fear of criticism shouldn't chain your decisiveness. Act on what you believe is right. And even if others don't always agree, they'll respect your authenticity. Most importantly, you'll respect yourself, and that's the magnetic force for earning respect from others. Steer clear of gossip. Gossiping is a tempting escape from personal problems by diving into someone else's turmoil. Yet it doesn't elevate you. In fact, it might cast you as weak. Negative traits associated with gossip tend to cling to the gossip monger. On the flip side, speaking kindly about others attaches positive qualities to you. Earn and maintain respect by steering clear of the gossip trap. Mindful reactions. Letting negative emotions run rampant is a quick route to losing respect. Managers who turn small problems into crises, or customers who explode over minor mistakes, often lose the respect of those around them. It's not about suppressing negative feelings, but expressing them in a controlled and thoughtful manner. On the flip side, openly sharing positive emotions can be a respect-boosting move. Hold your integrity. Integrity is the anchor that steadies you in the fiercest storms. It's about honesty, moral principles, and doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Trust is the gift of integrity. When your words align with your actions, people know you're reliable. Upholding your principles even in the face of temptation is the epitome of integrity. It's not just a grand gesture, it's built through consistent, small actions every day. In the words of C.S. Lewis, integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Living with integrity, you gain an unshakable sense of self-respect. Remember, you don't need a fancy title or a trophy cabinet to be looked up to. Be yourself, respect yourself, and let everything else fall into place. Start with self-respect, and the rest will follow suit. Wishing you a day filled with serenity and self-discovery. If you find these insights valuable, share them with someone who might need a gentle nudge. Today, embrace the authentic you.